Hey y'all, it's just Tkay. Come pack with me to go back home to Hartford, Connecticut. I know. I don't really talk about where I come from because y'all just know me probably from living in Charlotte, but I'm originally from up north. Let's go ahead and get right into the video, okay? I haven't been back home for I don't know, maybe 3 years or 4 years. My husband hasn't been home for 6 years. I think my mom went last year or 2 years ago. But yeah, let's go ahead and get ready to go on an airplane because baby, the driving there would be crazy, like 13 hours, and I'm not doing it. So anyway, Dollar Tree often is always our first stop before we go anywhere, and Walmart. Let me tell y'all, don't sleep on Dollar Tree $5 leggings because baby, I love them. I love them bad. And I can wear an extra large in it as well as a 2X, which is crazy, right? I know. But they fit really good and they have a lot of good stretch in it. Also, just a little, I don't know what you would call it. Let me just tell y'all something. Don't be trying no new deodorants and stuff like that when you on your way to go visit people. So I'm just glad that I was actually going back home and not like somewhere exotic that might not have deodorant. But the aluminum free baby may not be for me. Unless I just got to keep training my body to, I don't know, use it because Buki, it works for a while and then I'm like, let me re-up because baby, look, I don't know what that aluminum do for you. I know it's bad for you, but look, hello. Anyway. So I have edge control brush, Tide to go, vitamin E oil, poopery. I did end up putting 2 pooperies in there. I did do 2 pair of leggings. I think I bought 3 pair of leggings that day. Also the socks that I think I showed you was from Amazon. Also this packing cubes are from Amazon as well. They were on sale for like $15. Maybe 14 for like a 6-pack, which was really, really good. Also, I think they had like an 8-pack or something like that for 17, which why didn't I get the 8-pack? I don't know. Because I really wanted to see if I was going to like it or not. And then I was going to see if I wanted to bring it for my next trip that I'm going on. And I will tell y'all, I am sold on the packing cube and I only use 3 parts of it right now. So the thing where you put your dirty clothes in, my accessory bag, and then I use the extra large packing cube. And let me just tell you, highly recommend it. I've heard of it prior, but then the last person that I actually heard stated that they use it was Nadia. She has a YouTube channel on here, and make sure y'all go tune in with her because she be traveling and she goes to all the good places back up north, okay? I was going to say back home and back up north at the same time, but you know what I mean. Anyway, so the socks, yeah, I just wanted to get a new pair of socks. And don't sleep on Dollar Tree socks either because they now have packs of like 8 or 10 or something like that, and it's black. And I love them down. And I'm going to have to go get me some more because I lose socks like crazy. I did go ahead and disinfect the packing cube just because, you never could be too safe. Those are my stockings. Also, I just had a pack of gold earrings from Shein as well. And I just put that in the pack because I was like, I didn't want to do too much. And that is Ariana Grande. I think it's Cloud or On the Cloud. I don't know. It's something like that. But yeah. Also, I would probably next time bring like a body spray as well or some kind of an oil just to kind of switch up my scents. I was back home for 5 days. I will show y'all a little bit more of my visit. I will not show y'all the people that I went to visit, like my family or anything like that. That's not happening. But I will show y'all like the streets I went to where I grew up a little bit. And it's going to be very quick. So if you blink your eye, you might miss it. But if you're from back home, you'll know exactly where it is and where I was at. Now, this is where it starts to get really, really good. I am plus size. Some of y'all may know, some of y'all may not know, because I'm real skinny, real thin. But no, just joking. I'm for real. I am plus size, okay? So my clothes are not the smallest, They ain't the biggest either, but they not the smallest. So I will say the packing cube put in a total of 4 shirts, I think 6 to 8 pair of underwear, stockings, the 6 to 8 pair of socks, 2 skirts, 2 pair of leggings, a ripped pair of jeans, and a pair of Converse, as well as a varsity jacket. And you can see all the stuff that I'm naming, and listen, I promise you it fit all of that in there. How? I had no idea. And I was not even folding or rolling up at the best of my ability. Like, I just now looked at this video and I'm realizing that I could have did so much better and probably got a whole kitchen sink in there. But I digress. I feel like I did just enough, okay? And then the last thing that I would kind of update you guys on, if you are doing ripped jeans, ripped shorts, things like that, and you know that it has like are they called frays? I don't know what they're called, but like, you know, the rip part, be very careful though. Roll it correctly, or maybe put it in first, because it can get caught in the zipper, because yes, mine did get caught in the zipper. I wasn't upset or anything like that, but that was a mistake. Putting it right there, it literally got stuck in the zipper. And it was easy fix, but it could have pretty much ripped my whole entire jeans. But which is okay, because they were already ripped, so it's not that big of a deal. But I'm just saying, just for a little precaution, just be careful. Also, they did have things that you can put your sneakers in the packing cubes, but I didn't find that necessary this go around. I actually ended up taking out 1 pair of shoes because they did not fit. But then the other pair of shoes that I just brought 2 pair of shoes. I put 1 in my carry-on, which was my book bag, and then I just kept 1 in the packing cube in the big suitcase. Me and Robert actually shared a large suitcase this go around, and we never ever can do that. So shout out to the packing cube. We love you, man. Robert also put in undershirts, drawers, maybe t-shirts. I think he put in a packing cube as well, and that worked for him. It kept him organized. He knew where his stuff was at. I'm gonna be honest though, Robert is always organized. I am the one that is not. So packing cube really came in handy for that too, because I am one that does not like to unpack in places. I do not trust hotels for the most part. So me keeping it in this packing cube was beautiful for me. 10 out of 10, highly would recommend, okay? Yeah. My puffer vest did not fit in, however, which I'm not mad about it at all. It's fine. If I probably would have kept it in the Shein bag, if I didn't have to try it on, it probably would have fit all of that stuff in it. But then I would probably had a mental breakdown trying to get it back in. That's why I can't do the vacuum sucking ones. I can't do it because I know I will be stressed out. Also, Nadia used that as well. And I will say my mom used it for Puerto Rico when she went like a couple of years ago, and it worked for her. It just probably would drive me nuts. I will tell you this. Also, I don't know what happened with my quality here, so I do apologize about that. But I did get like Lysol wipes, Lysol spray, my tripod for my camera, my shoes you can see. I ended up putting my brown shoes back in my bag after I had a brown purse. I was going to bring my heart purse from Coach, but I was like, I don't want to bring too much stuff. That's my whole thing for this year. Wherever I'm going, I'm not bringing that much stuff. I did bring a carry-on, a book bag, and then just like if it was too heavy or whatever, because I was sharing with my husband, I was able to put some stuff in my bag. But actually, we were good to go. We packed to the T, and we packed under 50 pounds. But yeah, so tune in for my next video, you guys. It'll show you a little bit, like I said, of me going back home, getting my hair done, my nails done, my feet done, things of that nature. And then, like I said, you also want to pack like a rag, towel, also sheets and pillowcases, because you're going to a strange place. All right. I think that is all that I have to really say for you guys right now. And yeah, I just also packed this thing too for my dirty clothes. Really for my dirty like undergarments for the most part. Bye y'all. Thank y'all for watching.